Hi everyone. Today we're gonna show you how to install, or shall I say, reformat a computer using Windows 7. So as you can see in that list, that is the installer which we will use for today to reformat this certain computer. First, back up your file so that when the reformat starts, you won't worry that your files will be gone. So after backupping your files, we need to restart the computer. See this hand? That. See the startup. First we need to click the BIOS F2. So here it is now. I will show you first to make the primary boot device priority. First boot device, we should change it to the CD-ROM so that if we restart it again, automatically go to the disk and not to the hard drive. So I'm gonna change it now. Yes, press OK. Then we'll restart. So when you finish restarting the computer, and start the installation of Windows 7. So we should wait for a moment because it takes time. All things takes time. Finally. It is finished loading some files for the installer. Now it is restarting. Just wait for another moment. Here it is. So now, as you can see in the default settings, the language to install is English. The time and currency format is from the United States. The keyboard input is from the US. It depends on which country you are. You can change it. Let's see the language to install. There are lots of language there, but in this installer, it is only for English since this is a special edition of the Windows 7 installer. Now we should proceed. So there are lots of options before you install. Since I am telling you how to install it, we're gonna click install now. So takes time again. Let's wait. Additional fact, guys, Windows 7 is really an easy install compared to Windows XP. Since Windows XP has no drivers installed already, but in Windows 7 there are already drivers installed. Well, some, but it's okay. Finally, after the times of waiting, it's finally here. So, as you can see, there are lots of versions of Windows 7. This installer is very great for me because it has upgraded architecture. which is 86-bit and 64-bit. So for general use, I'm gonna select Windows 7 Ultimate. So I'm gonna proceed now. So this is the legal terms. I've already read it, so press I accept the license term. Next. So this is a little bit complicated because you can choose upgrade or custom, but I recommend you guys to use custom so that you can know which files will be deleted or reformatted. It has an unallocated space because I already deleted the original disk, which is the partition 1 or the local disk C. So it is now an unallocated space. So I'm gonna try to make a new fresh disk. So I'm gonna click new, type the size I wanted. I'm gonna try 50,000, apply, click OK. Wait for a moment. So here it is. So now guys, I already finished the partition process. So we already have the local disk C. As you can see, this is the primary. So you notice there is another disk partition which is called the system reserve. To tell you guys frankly, this is really a constant thing to happen when installing Windows 7. So there's still space left, unallocated space. So what I'm gonna do now is to make it another space, which is the local disk D. I'm gonna click new, apply, yes. So wait another moment. So guys, we've already finished the partition sequence. Now we're gonna proceed to the next step. I'm gonna press now next. So it's installing now the Windows, as you can see. So we're gonna wait some few moments right now. Finally, after a long wait, the installation of Windows 7 is finally done. Skip to that right now. Finally, it is starting. So, guys, now you know the steps to install Microsoft Windows. I hope this will expand your knowledge about computers, especially those aspiring technicians in the future. So just wait for a moment. So as you can see now, it is finalizing the installation for the Windows 7. So we'll just wait and what will happen. So it will make you audience thrilled. Finally, the final installation is done. It is start. Skip that one again, as I tell you so. Finally. I think this is its final load. Let's see what happens now. Yes, as you can see, that is the brightness of success. I'll tell you this one more time, the brightness of success. Well, checking video performance. Yes. After some little bit of adjusting, we are here now to set the name of our computer. So I'm gonna type now my username or account. I'm gonna try to type example Acronation. So I'm gonna press next. Depends to you what name you will type. So if you want a password, you can type here, but I'm not gonna set any password now because this is a video for everyone and I'm gonna share it to the world. I'm gonna press next. Windows is now telling us to type the product key, but I'm not gonna type it for now because this is only a video for practice for the aspiring technicians. So I'm gonna click now next. Okay, I'm gonna check that one. I'm gonna press now next. Okay, so the Windows is now telling me to should I use recommended settings, install important updates only, or ask me later. So I'm gonna recommend you guys to use ask me later. So I'm gonna press this one now. Okay, so you can choose any time zone you want. I'm gonna choose let's see, we're gonna try now the Beijing, Hong Kong time zone. Okay, the Beijing, let's try it, guys. Now let's set the date for today. I think it's October 12. But no, never mind that. The time is not important, so I'm gonna skip that the date and the time for now. I'm gonna click now next. So okay, next. So here it is, finalizing the settings. A little bit of waiting and we're done. So just wait. I'm gonna wait a little while. Finally, it's done. The moment of truth. Now it's finalizing the desktop. Wait a sec. We're done with our installation process. As you can see, this is the desktop now. So maybe next time we're gonna show you how to install Windows 8, maybe 10. So this is me signing off now. Thank you very much.